has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Windsor County in southern Vermont, west central Orange County in central Vermont, south central Washington County in central Vermont, southeastern Addison County in central Vermont, northeastern Rutland County in southern Vermont, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:58 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This possible tornado was located near Forest Dale, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Ripton, Pittsfield, Rochester, Hancock, Randolph, Braintree, West Brookfield. This tornadic storm is also capable of producing damaging straight-line winds, large hail, and deadly lightning. When you can do so safely, please report tornadoes, damaging winds, or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-863-4279 or by submitting a storm report to weather.gov/Burlington. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. As a last resort, lie down in a low-lying area and cover your head. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Tuesday evening for northern New York and Vermont.